Good morning class 9C. Today is 21st August. I will continue with the lesson 9, reflection of light at a plane surface. The topic I will take today is images formed in a pair of mirror. Suppose if an object O, this is an object O, is placed between two mirror which is inclined at an angle of theta, then number of images, many images of this object will be formed. And why? What is the reason behind number of images is formed? Because the light ray after reflection from the first mirror, this is incident ray, and reflection from the first mirror falls on the other mirror, and that acts as a object. That means when the object image is formed by the mirror M1, that image will be object for the mirror M2. Now let's see images formed in two inclined mirror, suppose at an angle of theta. So how many images? That is number of images formed depends on the angle theta between the two mirrors. Now there is a formula to find out the number of images between two plane mirror which is inclined at an angle of theta, that is 360 degree upon theta. Now theta is what? Theta is the angle between the two pair of mirrors, plane mirror. Number of images is represented by small n is equal to 360 degree upon theta. Now there are two cases. The first case is if this angle theta between the mirror is given theta, then the number of image, when you find it out from this formula 360 degree upon theta, then n is coming if odd. Number of images are coming odd, like 7, 5, 9. Then there are again two cases. In case number 1, A and B. If it is coming odd, number of images is n. That means if it is coming 7, you will take 7 only when the object is placed asymmetrically between the mirror. Clear? B. Number of image will be n minus 1. Suppose it is coming odd, that is 7. So 7 minus 1 will be 6. Then your answer will be 6. That means number of images will be 6. Why you will subtract with 1? Because when the object is placed symmetrically between the mirrors. Symmetrically means lie on the bisector of angle. Suppose this is an angle. When you bisect this angle, an object lie on this bisector, then the number of image which is coming odd, you will subtract with 1. Like 7 minus 1 will be 6. If the number of images is coming 5, then 5 minus 1 will be 4. So this is the way you will do the numerical to find out the number of images is coming odd. Case number 1.